خلاص كسر.
He killed me.
No, I'm not gonna kill you.
Zubai.
You just already Zubir. You tired?
Yeah.
Who started me and you?
Me.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أيدي سلام دمان أصحاب خالقة ملك السواد دون كات كجوكتان وأنا قاء.
Imaan mean.
No, this is not my channel. This is your channel. Why you say me Imaan mean? I say إنجليز كان مركز إبلاغ أنا بسكو ورهرة واكن جدا نسك خصلي. دقيسو I say محن أرتش كا وأنا قاء yes. في إنجليز محن الله وأنا قاء we are on. أنا شخصا كذا كلا. I say we are.
We are.
Yes.
Then. We
Tell
are.
me what is their name? What is going on?
What the name?
Please don't laugh, okay? Okay, welcome. Okay, tell. What do we do now?
Like give ya kill. Give ya kill.
What means keep your kill? Do you want to kill me?
Yeah.
سلام الله عليك. لا أنا والله بلا طلع ما ضحك يجلسها والله ما الجك.
Meaning.
Okay. Anyway أصحاب سوجرتي هرتا. مالما نقفتان وإيجا مقناد. ونصتي هذا لكن دومي عرشي كوائد أي إمادة. في إنجليز كوادلو أي إمادة. هرتا anyway أصحاب هرتا ما أنتو حاربنا إن أنا سمينو أني أنايا جالنجي قاسو معناها قفا دورني أما قفا عشاني سيدو قلت قفكا ستين وادلي تسال أهان هدي معناه إذن في السيرو مينيس كذا لايك سيدا قفضان سو خالين أنا قمت إلى آيات قبل النقير ومكتها ماشي أنا وحان سمينا هدي معناها أو يفهمي سو هو نفتر كي الكو في إنجليزي أو قاعد لا فير يارنتي على قلوفتي معناها وحان سمينا وري جيسو وحان سمينا Why you look at me?
When you talking on your language, you're so funny.
My language is funny.
Yeah. No, when you talk. Only you
بوف
talk.
كاو شيك بوف كاو وانا امس anyway horta waxa waay tusaale ahaan waxaan soo qaadaa walaalkeyga amriye la enjoy ama aniga isku soo dara ama muhanad waxaan leeyahay qof musqush ku qof saanya qof waxyaal oo af ingiriiskana isku ogtiin wuxuu baan yahay in ul lagu toosi ul markii iyadan ku toosiyayso okay who start me and you ولا 20 جير عمل اي في عيسن بعاويه هو خبصه
You. خبصه.
Okay, Anaya, I ask you one question. If you are going road,
Rod.
okay, we need like food. You have money,
Yeah.
okay? You have money. We don't have money, okay?
Yeah.
You only have money like 5 ringgit. You are full. You don't need like food, okay?
Yeah.
We need like me and Enjoya and Muhammad and Amina, not your mama,
Okay.
and El Kase. The restaurant, if we get like 5 ringgit,
Then.
you know when marka gashid ishag restaurantiga waxa laga la kaliya cunto 5 ringgit la gadaa, okay? Who you give the money?
But like I can talk in English. Like who I give Muhammad, Imaan.
Yeah, Muhammad and Moha and Ilkaase and Enjoy and Iman. Who and Amina? Who you give the money? Only you have 5 ringgit. We don't have money, huh? You only have 5 ringgit. What English ko ito to say? What? Baawiye. Who you give the money?
I not give anybody. I take.
You have to be must.
Then.
You only have 5 ringgit. Who you give the 5 ringgit?
You.
Who you give? Tell me the name. Why you like this?
Imaan.
Why you give the Iman? Without solution.
Yeah.
Wallahi de.
Wallah.
Are you serious now?
Yeah. Yes, I like him.
Kale sonoqa. Okay. Ask me the second question.
I want the No Mohan in Ilka Hassan, okay?
Ilka Hassan maahan, Ilka Case.
Ilka Hassan, no.
Not Ilka Hassan.
Asakina.
No, it's not okay. He's angry, you know, if you say Ilka Hassan.
Ilka Hassan, Ilka
No,
Hassan.
Ilka Case.
Okay.
Say Ilka Case.
Ilka Hassan.
No, Ilka Hassan.
My mom, no. Okay.
Okay.
Joya,
Okay.
Muhammad,
Okay.
Amina,
Okay.
and me.
Okay. Alu ba igida isku soo dar.
Then who you choose?
What means who you choose?
Like you want the who one you want to keep and who you want to kill. Joya, Amina,
Okay.
Muhammad,
Okay.
and me. That who you want to kill and keep. No, only one, okay?
Only
you,
one.
One you kill and one you keep.
Okay, I translate the people. Waa isbaboojiya tan hadii kale ogaa waxay soo waday. Anyway, macnaha waxay dhahday Amina, Enjoya, and Muhammad and you, right? Macnaha dhamaantooda ay dhahday inta hadda magacooda aan maqasheen. Hal mid dil, hal mid dooro. Inta kale iska fasax. Macnaha
Only one.
Yep, only one, two, right? Marka ana hadda waxaan sameyn lahay tusaale ahaan hadii qof door dhii lahay waxaan dooran lahay gabadha meesha ugu yar, okay? Already the people understand. Okay. Aniga waxaan dooran lahay gabadha meesha ugu yar, okay? Waxaan dili lahay I'm killing like Amina. I kill Amina. And then I choose gabadha meesha ugu yar.
Huh? You kill Amina, okay?
Okay, I kill Amina. Waxaan dooran lahay gabadha meesha ugu yar.
Then who you keep?
I already keep it. I told the people.
You not tell me.
Why I tell you? Why I tell you? I tell already people.
No, people, this is my turn. Then you tell me not.
I told people already. Okay, say translate me please the people. If you understand it, comment below, right?
Tell me now.
I don't know. I'm any boten karo. No. Okay, I ask you one question. Choose Zubair, Uncle Zubair and Imaan.
Then of course, boy.
Huh? Who you choose? Kali. أنا شخص هذا كسر.
He killed me.
No, I'm not a kill you.
Zubair.
You just already Zubair. Already you just Zubair.
He's here. Yeah.
Already you just Zubair. Anaya, are you serious now? أنا romantic عمل كوجي جلاي بعاوية كلا. Are you serious now? You already choose Zubair?
Yes.
Why you choose Zubair? I think he is beautiful than me, right?
Yes.
ونيو قبل ما أروح على محاس وقصار أنا أنت كفول حنا بايس. إيدي سامو يرى كلها بقرح يا
what you asked before. I can ask.
No, why you asking me again? Cause you already choose the Zubair.
Then what? You even choose no me then? Even you notice me, you choose someone other than? Why I can't choose someone like Zubair Mohammed?
Listen to me. When you are talk to me English, you have to be talk to mix it in Somali, okay? Sometimes I'm talking to you like English, right? Sometimes all the time I talk to you English, right? But I want to be talk to me like Somali language today. If you talk to me language English, inda wajada maham inda wajada. English ya baqosol ebe.
English.
You say me off. I call police. I call police. Wait أنا anyway أصحاب سعوديين نحوا أنا يا لقديا كده ماتي وأبوبوتي ما أنت لك قصلة وبعدي أدي أدا أقول معي مرجع إذا كان هالكي في سوماليا أو في سوريا كومنتي غوص وصخرة سيحور إنجوا ونقدم فيها ما راح لا يقلا anyway أصحاب تد مخالك كنا كسجبينا شو بيبي
أنا دي نعم ما نسال بابا
قلت على شيء كلام باي باي